Hi and welcome to a new watch settings tutorial video on my channel. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you. In my hands I have the Gshock Gravitymaster GR-B100. Let's get straight to the point of setting the watch settings. Press and hold the upper left button, that's the adjust button, until you see the set and hear the beep. And there it is. What is currently showing is my home city. To shuffle between the home cities and the time zones, press the start button or the reset button to rotate it anti-clockwise. I'm gonna leave it at Paris time zone since this is my time zone. Pressing the mode button once it gets us to summertime setting or the DST. Pressing the start button shuffles between on, auto or off. I'm gonna leave it at off. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the seconds value. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value by pressing the start button. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the hour value. To increase or decrease the hour value, press the reset or start button to increase or decrease. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the minutes value. To increase or decrease the minutes value, press the reset or start button. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the year value. So currently it's 2021 and it's showing the correct year. Pressing the reset or start button, I can shuffle between the value of year. The procedure is exactly the same for month, day, and just remember the procedure is exactly the same. So by pressing the start or reset button, you can increase or decrease those values. And pressing the mode button once again, we enter the 12 or 24-hour time format adjustment. Pressing the start button, I'm shuffling between 12 and 24-hour time format. Pressing the mode button once again, I enter the date display format. So currently it's showing the date, day, month, and year. Pressing the start button, I'm shuffling between year, month, and day, year, day, and month, and back to beginning, day, month, and year. Pressing the mode button, I'm entering the day of the week language. So currently it's set to English, but you can shuffle between Spanish, French, German, Italian, Russian, and back to English. Pressing the mode button once again, it's the button operation tone, and pressing the start button, I can mute it or leave it at on. Again, pressing the mode button once again, we enter the auto light enable disable. Pressing the start button will shuffle between on or off. I'm gonna leave it at off. Next press of the mode button gets us to illumination duration. Currently it's set to 3. That stands for 3 seconds to turn on the light when I press the light button. But you can shuffle it between 1 and 3. 1 stands for 1.5 seconds of illumination duration when I press the light button. I'm gonna leave it at 3. Next press of the mode button, it's the next press of the mode button, that is the auto adjust or auto receive the time calibration from the. You are able to shuffle between on or off only when your watch is paired with your phone, and you will be able to shuffle between on or off by pressing the lower right button. Next press of the mode button gets us to power saving mode. Is it on or off? Pressing the start button, it will shuffle between on or off. I'm gonna leave it at on. And last press of the mode button gets us back to beginning and setting our time zone. Once we are done with all of our settings, simply press the adjust button and the watch will return to the standard timekeeping mode. Thank you very much for watching yet another video. Please leave a comment and a like and subscribe to my channel if you are into watch related content. So thank you.